water rescue, land rescue and transportation rescue. Start with energy and transition tone. Now, we move into some of the most demanding environments we train for, where our responders must battle not only fire, but water, earth, and steel. In this section, you'll see how we prepare teams for the most challenging rescue scenarios in rivers, landslides, collapsed buildings, subways, rail crossings, and highway tunnels. T7 Swift Water Rescue Training Ground. Welcome to T7, the Swift Water Rescue Training Ground, where calm waters can turn into controlled chaos in an instant. This incredible facility is built around an artificial river system designed to simulate the exact forces found in real-world floods, river rescues, and fast-moving current situations. Powered by 2 massive pumps pushing out 384,000 liters per minute, the flow rate of nearly 100 fire trucks, this channel creates rapids, whirlpools, eddies, and sudden elevation drops. Trainees are literally swept into these currents, fighting to navigate and perform rescues under intense real-time pressure. Rescue teams train here in surface swimming, throw bag techniques, swift water navigation, and tactical diving. But this training goes far beyond physical strength. It sharpens strategy, coordination, and decision-making under stress. This facility is used by a wide range of teams, from frontline firefighters, volunteer brigades, Coast Guard units, military teams, and certified civilian rescue organizations. At T7, every ripple tells a story, and every wave is a test of skill and courage. T12 Water Surface and Underwater Rescue Training Ground. Next, we move to T12, the Water Surface and Underwater Rescue Training Ground. This is the quieter sibling of T7, but beneath its calm surface lies a world of deep water challenges. This dual pool setup includes a standard swimming pool for water safety, surface rescues, and boat operations, and a 6-meter deep diving pool built specifically for underwater search and rescue scenarios. Trainees here learn every step of the process, from diving technique, gear handling, to executing structured search patterns. This training prepares teams to respond to urban flooding, dam incidents, maritime accidents, and submerged vehicle rescues. And what's special here, even novice swimmers can begin their journey safely, while experienced divers can push their limits, all within a fully controlled environment. Together, T7 and T12 form the core of our water rescue curriculum, transforming land-based responders into capable aquatic rescuers. T17 Underground Train Station Rescue Training Ground. Now we enter T17, the Underground Train Station Rescue Training Ground, where we bring underground chaos to the surface in the name of preparedness. This is a full-scale simulation, replicating a functioning subway environment, and complete with railway carriages, tracks, ticket gates, platforms, and tunnel systems, all built to real-world dimensions. Here, we pump live fire and dense smoke into narrow, enclosed spaces, giving trainees the closest possible experience to an actual MRT emergency. Trainees practice long-distance searches in zero visibility, complex passenger evacuations, and subway fire suppression. This facility isn't just for firefighters. It's also used by transportation officials and MRT emergency teams in multi-agency drills, ensuring readiness from every angle. At T17, every sound of an incoming train and every flicker of simulated fire sharpens reflexes and response times when seconds matter underground. T18 Landslide Rescue Training Ground. Next up, T18, the Landslide Rescue Training Ground, where gravity is not your friend and stability is a luxury. This facility simulates earthquake-induced collapses and heavy rain-triggered landslides. It features 2 tilted 3-story RC buildings, dramatically angled at 30 and 60 degrees. These aren't static props. They are built with replaceable concrete panels, allowing real-time demolition and fully resettable scenarios. Surrounding the structures, you'll find man-made slopes, debris flows, and rainfall simulation systems, replicating the slippery, disorienting conditions of a post-landslide environment. Trainees must crawl through rubble, lift structural debris, and rescue buried victims, all while under physical stress and time pressure. Whether it's a mudslide in a rural town or a collapsed hillside road, this is where teams learn to dig deep, think fast, and move safely in unstable terrain. T19 Collapsed Building Earthquake Rescue Training Ground. And now we arrive at T19, the Collapsed Building Earthquake Rescue Training Ground, where urban chaos becomes a classroom. The layout is divided into 4 zones, each replicating a different aspect of a devastated cityscape. Fallen structures, ruptured trenches, broken pipelines, and confined tunnel spaces. Trainees must navigate through jagged concrete, bent steel, and narrow voids to reach trapped victims. This is full-spectrum urban search and rescue, USR, where responders practice stabilizing tilted walls, entering collapsed ceilings, rescuing from trenches, and managing gas leaks or secondary fires. Here, teams conduct confined space and tunnel rescues under real pressure, working across multiple agencies to locate victims and provide emergency care. It's dirty, dangerous, and disorienting, exactly what a real post-earthquake site feels like. And that's why it works. Chencharash? T21 Railway Crossing Accident Rescue Training Ground. Welcome to T21, the Railway Crossing Accident Rescue Training Ground, where split seconds make all the difference. This site replicates one of the most high-risk disaster scenarios, train vehicle collisions at level crossings. It features a mock passenger train, a petroleum tanker, and track road interfaces. We also simulate hazardous material fires, like a tanker igniting after a crash using a dedicated fire point system. Trainees face full-scale simulations of derailments, mass casualty scenes, and hazardous fires. They practice rapid extrication from mangled vehicles, suppressing high-temperature fires, and triage under chaos. This is also a hub for interagency drills involving fire units, railway authorities, and petrochemical safety teams. This facility mirrors Taiwan's real level crossings, preparing teams for those critical moments when rail meets road and lives hang in the balance. T22 Highway and Tunnel Accident Rescue Training Ground. And now we enter 22, the Highway and Tunnel Accident Rescue Training Ground, built as a 1-to-1 replica of Taiwan's most critical tunnels, such as Shuishan and Pakuashan. Inside, you'll find real vehicles staged in multi-car pileups, crash debris, escape routes, and tunnel-specific fire and smoke control systems. Every inch of this facility is designed to reflect the real dangers of tunnel rescues: toxic smoke, zero visibility, high heat, and narrow spaces. Trainees practice high-pressure operations, including oil tanker fire suppression, chemical leak response, and pedestrian evacuations through smoke-filled corridors. The site is ideal for cross-functional drills, bringing together firefighters, tunnel engineers, freeway officials, and emergency responders. Because in a real tunnel emergency, coordination and timing mean everything. And this is the training ground where teams build that muscle. Close this section. Together, these training grounds for water rescue, land rescue, and transportation rescue prepare our responders to face some of the most complex, dynamic, and dangerous rescue challenges imaginable. And they do it with skill, teamwork, and courage.